pass me by.
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. I'm going to do an audio test with the Skyrider with the Sony Action Cam. What I've done with the Vado, I use that for communication back and forth to record in audio and video. If you noticed on the side here, I cut a little slit in the camera cover, and what I do is I put an earpiece right by the microphone, so you can hear both sides of the conversation. Now on this test with the Sony Action Cam, it has the external mic, and I've done basically the same thing, except I put the earpiece right by the external mic. You can see it there. So we're going to put it on the road and check it out and see how it sounds.
When we get closer, I'll take the lead, and then I'll show you there. No big hoot.
Good. You've still been able to hear me okay?
Oh, fine.
Good. Yeah, I can hear you fine. This might work where the speakers are.
Yep. Well, I'm anxious to see how this footage is going to do by the earpiece by this mic. See if I can pick you up on the video at least.
Junior put some stuff in my tires. It's some kind of. It's not slime. It's They'll have to explain it to you, but.
Yeah, it's like stay fill. It stays in there and it gives a coating of the inner liner, so it don't have any puncture through.
Right.
Yeah. I'd rather not stop on the tracks.
No, I'm not going to do that. Not even if I've seen two trains come almost back to back on these tracks before. I'm not about to try that.
Yeah. Well, if we had to, we could go in the ditch.
Yeah, true enough. Go beside the cars.
Yeah. And I think I saw on YouTube that they're trying to pass a law in Nevada to legalize lane splitting.
Really?
And that's what I think that's what I saw. They got a bill in the legislature to try to legalize lane splitting. Yeah, I mean these type burgers, I think they use ground beef at probably 75-25, and when you bite into it, they sort of drip all over your chin. Yeah. I mean, once in a while you can afford to do that. What are you going to do, partner?
Just going to ride us out.
It looks like it. Those kind of people make me nervous. Yeah. Okay, you see where this lodge place is here?
Yeah.
That's not the place. It's on down the road a little bit.
I've played in that lodge place.
Have you?
Yeah, that's a long time ago. It's got a huge stage.
Does it? Did you have to learn the secret handshake before you went in there? That's cool, Troy. Yeah.
Probably World War II vets.
Yeah. All right, this is it. We'll park in the back where the motorcycle parking is. This is a little rough pavement here.
Wow, there's several folks here.
Yeah, it's lunchtime.
Harley Davidson Road, huh?
Yep.
Not right now, it's not.
Got that right. Not right now, it ain't.
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here with Gretsch Blues drummer, aka Steve Arsenault. Gonna sign the commemorative vlogging him because now he is an official YouTube vlogger. He's put some videos up, and he's a vlogger from Smyrna too. Well, how'd you like your Buster Burger, buddy?
Man, it was fantastic. It was delicious.
It was great, wasn't it?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate it very much.
Yeah, I know it. So he's going to sign the helmet, so let him just pick out a spot and go wherever you like to.
So I'll go right here. realize it was. What is today? 422?
Let's see. 423.
423.
I'm glad I have a watch that tells me that because I didn't know what day it was either. Oop. Let's see where you put it at. Wow, that's a long name.
And that's what I said. Everything takes up.
Well, thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. Appreciate it very much.
I appreciate it too, Dave.
Yeah, we had a good time, and me and Steve rode in the Scoot Nashville run this past Saturday. We're still putting up videos of that because we got like 8 hours and 27 minutes of footage that we still got to edit and put up. So I appreciate it, Steve. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dave. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
get
very
that
much,
handshake in there. It was okay. So this is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.
Well, you take care, man. Ride safe.
Okay, Dave, you too, buddy.
All right, man. We'll see you.